All right, real quick demo of a feature we just put together this morning. Took less than 2 hours, including conversation, debugging, and getting it cleaned up quite a bit. There's a few things still missing. So once again, we're having our friend Claude Code rely on our friend ChatGPT to actually do some of the thought work. So Claude does coding, debugging, deploying, documenting, and Chat does the information gathering. So first, test it again interactively. Can you find me some quotes for somebody? And Chat, and when you do, give me your sources and your confidence level and so on. So we end up making that into an API, so that we now have a feature on the right-hand side. I'm logged in here as two different instances of myself on two different devices. I just wanted to do this to conveniently find it. So on this side, I'm going to go to the not generate tags for the tagless, but find new quotes, which should also have that kind of what we're using as this is generative AI stuff. So with author name, it's not the best interface yet, but it's good enough. So I'm going to do, because I searched already in the same database, David Spade. We don't have any quotes by him, so we're just a random comic. Actually, Bill Burr. Let me see if Bill Burr is on there. Let's demonstrate this. More of my favorite comic. So searching, no quotes from Bill Burr. Perfect. So we'll get a Bill Burr quotes. Bill Burr. I don't want anything that we already have, because I don't want any duplicates being introduced during the demo, and we haven't put in. Make sure they're not dupes. So we're searching using this again, going out to OpenAI's GPTs, being consulted with a prompt. It's a pretty elaborate prompt. So here's some nice Bill Burr quotes. I think the best way to get over someone is to get under someone else. That's funny. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get through life. I actually like both of these. Okay, so podcast. I like the Source 2018 podcast. I like the Source for that. Believe it, I'm not a big fan of the whole "you can do anything" thing. I like that one too. I think the worst. So we limit it to 5 responses. I'm going to just do 2 to demonstrate. So we're saying we'll add 3 quotes. I'll go ahead and do so. And adding 3 quotes. Successfully added 3 quotes. That's great. 2 left from the original 5 that we searched for. Over here, unfortunately, we're not getting subscription or anything like that, so I actually have to come back and search for things. And sure enough, there they are. They were added with no tags too, right? So I love that one. But anyway, I think the worst thing you do, it's probably not that great. Neither one's really that exciting. We'll stick with these 3 for the moment. So on these 3, we could do something else, which is, here you can just demonstrate. We can come in here, I'm also demonstrating my dark mode, not clean unused tags, but go ahead and generate tags for the tagless, because these 3 should get tags. So let's see, do that. It won't refresh properly, but that's okay. Once again, a nice in-depth explanation of what's going on. So it's doing 1, and it will let us preview here, but we don't actually review it the way we did with the Caniddate Quotes. Not seeing humor. I'm going to expect humor on every one of these Bill Burr ones, of course. That's fine. We always go back in and tune them up ourselves. So all 3 of them have been processed now, and all 3 were successful. So now I should do the close, or will it close automatically? Yeah, it did anyway. So close it. And now, in order to get this to work out, I'll start here, because we have to fix that for the refresh. And there they are. These were the same 3 quotes, now with their different tags put in. So kind of boring, like okay, not bad. Ariza, acceptance, adversity, not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, there you go. And that's it. I still want to put humor on all of them, so I'm going to edit this. Oh, it was on there already. I missed it. Wow, how about that? Humor, not humor. So we'll do humor on this one. Now we're getting more stuff with the Bill Burr thing. That's another thing we need to fix. This is kind of painful. Updated the quote. it does refresh on that one. Okay, so some of these refresh properly, but it's still got the Albert Einstein in there too. So super. Okay, good. All right, that is it.